today we are going to go straight to the point. We have a topic, right?
Yes.
And this is what? Les adjectifs possessifs. Les adjectifs possessive. That's possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Right? Now, this adjective expressed what you have or what someone else have. Alright? So we have the board here, and this is the French pattern of expressing the possessive adjective. That's Canela? Good. Now, remember, I told us that French people had always work with what? Masculine and feminine. Everything in France is either masculine or feminine. So an adjective is used to qualify or describe what? A noun or a pronoun. We all know that. So today, we are looking at les adjectifs possessive. Les adjectifs possessive. Which means there are ways that we do it in what? French. Now, if you look at here, we have my, your, he, her, and one's. Then we have our, your, and what? Dear. All right. Now, you ask me, we have your, and we also have what? Your. Why? Now, firstly, the reason is that we have tu and vous. All right? Tu and what? Vous. Tu is you, and vous is also what? You. So this is singular, and is what? And is what? Informal. All right? And this vous is what? Plural, and it is what? Formal. It is what? Formal. That is the reason why we have your and what? Your. That is understood, right? Good. Now, in French, if you look at the table, we have masculine, feminine, and what? Plural. French people say masculin, féminin, and what? Pluriel. Alright? Now, the mine, we take mine. Mine has three forms. So we have mon, ma, mes, your, ton, ta, tes, son, sa, c'est, notre, nos, votre, vos, leur. Now, all these are pronounced the same. You don't pronounce the S here. You don't pronounce the S here. You don't pronounce the S here. You don't pronounce the S. S is never pronounced. So what do you do? Mais, say mais. Tes, c'est, nos, vos, leur. So you can't say leurs. You can't say vos. You can't say nos. It's not allowed. So what do? Let's do it again. Mais, tes, c'est, nos, vos, leur. Alright? Now let's do it horizontally. Mon, ma, mes. Ton, ta, tes. Son, sa, c'est. Notre, nos. Votre, vos. Leur. Now this is what we call les adjectifs possessive. Les adjectifs possessive. Now there is a very important point I want us to look at. Now, if you take the aspect of the masculine form, we have mon, ton, son, notre, and what? Leur. Now, when it comes to a word, I say whenever you have a word, okay, when you have a vowel, which is what? A, E, I, O, U, or H mute. You know, French is always, H is always mute in French. You have start, that is, all this starts A, noun. They start what? A noun. You must use what? More. Whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Alright? So if it's masculine, when it comes to a vowel, you use what? More. When it comes to a vowel, a feminine, you still use what? More. Because of the rule. Alright? Now I'm giving an example. Mon ami, my friend, which is a male. Mon ami, my friend, which is what? A female. Now, in this case, we are supposed to say ma, right? Because it is what? Feminine. But because the word is starting with what? A vowel, you use what? Mon. So the same thing applies to ton. You can't say ton ami and you come here again, you say ta ami. No. You continue to say ton ami for both of them. It's only this that stand alone. This one stand alone in this case. When you come to my friends, we can say mes amis. Alright? Alright? Mes amis, my friend. You can also say mes amis, the feminine form now. Mes amis, like this. My friends. Do you understand now? Good. Now let's come to this part. I also have an example on what? On more, which is words here are starting with vowel. So we have mon hotel, mon histoire. Remember, this word is feminine, so you can't say ma, but because it's starting with what? A H. Est-ce qu'on est là? Are you getting it? Good. Now, these ones are other examples. They are what? Other examples. So we have ma maison, my house. Sa fille, her or his daughter. Leur professeur, your teacher. Ses élèves. So we do connection here. Ses élèves. Say it together. Ses élèves. His or her student. Tu, I explained this before. Tu is you. Vous is also what? You. So these are a little bit information about les adjectifs possessive. Can we say it together? Les adjectifs possessive. So thank you. God bless you.